In this video, we're going to talk about an ultrasonic flow meter device and installation process. Of it, the Flowmeter is an epoch-making innovative product that continuously simplifies the method of measuring and monitoring with ensuring quality. It is widely used in washing machines, tap water, agricultural irrigation, garden irrigation, industrial circulating water, water flow monitoring in fields such as reclaimed water, fast pipe clamp, ultrasonic flow meter. Adopt one-piece design. No need to set up parameters. Very easy to install. Buckle it directly on the pipe section and fasten with screws. Then turn on the power and start measuring. With the flow of liquid in the pipeline, the display will show the value of the flow changing in real time. It is a reliable solution to achieve precise monitoring and real-time control flow. Meter provides safety, health, and environmental protection without any broken pipes. There are no moving parts at all, and there is no wear and tear. High signal strength, good stability. RS485 communication interface protection level reaches P50. 5 Feejoy Technology provides the most professional solutions in the market.